3 days ago, I had a rough idea for a running shoe ad. Just 15 minutes later, I had a complete video with models, voiceover, music, and smooth transitions, fully ready to upload. And the crazy part? It was all created using one tool, Frammia Pro. From writing scripts to designing visuals and syncing music, the process can feel overwhelming and costly. But what if one AI tool could handle everything for you in minutes? Today we're exploring Frammia Pro, an all-in-one creative AI agents platform that can generate images, ads, stories, movies, voiceover, and music from a single prompt in just 15 to 30 minutes. With powerful AI video agents, automated editing, and built-in music creation, Frammia Pro simplifies the entire content workflow and saves up so much time for you. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, designer, marketing manager, freelance designer, solo founder, or even an Amazon seller, this tool helps you create faster and smarter. Let's dive into the platform and see how it works, and you will find the link in the description to try Frammia Pro and earn 500 extra free credits from me after registering and logging in. Once you open Frammia.pro, you'll see the main dashboard. At the top, you have the chat box where you write your ideas. Everything is clean and simple, so even beginners can use it. This chat box is not just a simple chatbot. It actually works like an AI agent that can act like a real scriptwriter, real designer, real music composer, and even a film director, simply by chatting your requirements to it. Let's start with something simple. I'll ask Frammia Pro to create a product image of a red running shoe with the text "Run Fast" on a neutral gray background. I type the prompt and click Generate. In a few seconds, Frammia Pro shows the result. The running shoes look exactly like I described. Color, text, background, all perfect. Below you can see some buttons like Download, 4K Upscale, and Turn Image to Video. On the right side, the AI Agent Assistant is always there to help you. Just type anything you need, make changes, and it will assist you instantly. Next, let's create a short brand ad using the running shoe image we just made. I upload the picture and type a prompt asking Frammia Pro to show models wearing the shoe. Include close-up shots and finish with the tagline, "Run Fast." You can also add a few advertising lines and even describe what kind of voiceover style you want, because Frammia Pro can automatically generate voiceovers for ad videos. After hitting Generate, Frammia Pro does everything automatically. It writes the script, chooses the scenes, generates model images, adds background music, generates the voiceover, and combines it all into a complete video. When it's ready, you can watch the final ad on the dashboard.
Run fast.
Wow! Everything from visuals to music, voice, and transitions is generated from your initial prompt. And if you want to change anything, you just chat with the agent to refine it. No need to start over, which makes creating professional ads incredibly easy. And from this menu, you can create assets like images and videos by selecting different models. You'll find many of the newest and strongest AI models, such as Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0 and 1.5, and even Midjourney style generation models. From these plus icons, you can also upload your own images to edit them. For example, let's transform my avatar into an anime style. As you can see, the result is excellent, and I literally look like an anime character thanks to the power of the Nano Banana 2 model. Now let's look at the video generation side. First, you have 3 categories: frame to video, element to video, and text to video. Let's try text to video. After choosing your model, you can pick between Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, and other powerful models depending on your credits. Then select the aspect ratio and the duration. Now let's say you're a storyteller or documentary creator and you need visuals to support your editing. Don't know how to prompt? No problem. Just describe what you want in normal everyday language, and Frammia Pro's AI agent will convert your idea into a professional prompt automatically. I didn't upload anything, I simply described the idea. Frammia Pro handled the rest on its own. It created the script, designed the traveler character, built the city in 3D, added ambient sounds, and arranged the scenes in order.
They said the sky holds no solid ground. But here, islands float on whispers of light. A world suspended in amber and dreams, where strangers greet you like old friends, and gardens bloom from the clouds themselves.
Laughter carries on the wind, lighter than air.
At the edge of the world, I finally see it. I haven't just found a city, I found home.
The final video shows the same character moving through different parts of the island, discovering bridges, markets, and glowing towers. Everything stays consistent, and the animation looks surprisingly smooth for something made from a simple description. It's a great example of how fast Frammia Pro can turn an idea into a full cinematic story. Music creation and final thoughts. As you can see, there is no need for much praise. So, let's check another feature. Frammia Pro can also create music. This time, I ask for a clean instrumental track that works well as background audio for YouTube videos. No singing, just a light and uplifting vibe. After a short moment, Frammia Pro delivers a fully produced track ready to use. You can listen to it, download it, or create a new version with one click. It's a great option for anyone who wants quick copyright-free music without spending hours searching online. This is actually the music I'm using in the background of this video. And this is what Frammia Pro offers in a simple way. It can create images, ads, stories, animation, voiceovers, and even music using only basic prompts. Compared to using multiple platforms like Runway, Sora, CapCut, 11 Labs, or Higgsfield, Frammia Pro brings many of these creative tools together in one AI-powered platform. If you want to speed up your content creation, Frammia Pro makes everything easier and saves you a lot of time and subscriptions to burn money. Finally, and as usual, you can find the link in the description to try Frammia Pro and earn 500 extra free credits after registering and logging in. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tools like Frammia Pro.